Okay, for 724, they want us to fill in the rest of the table and then find the equation in y equals ab to the x. So I'm going to make this bigger so I can actually do it on here. So we have to find out, what the multiplier is, right? So to do that, I'm going to take 3.96 and I'm going to divide it by 3.96 and divide it by 1.2, right? And I get 3.3. So I'm just going to check that now. I'm going to take 3.96 and multiply by 3.3 and see if it works. And it does. It gives me 13.068. So to fill in the rest of the table, we have to just keep multiplying, right? 3.3. So 13.068 times 3.3. And you're just using your calculator, right? So 43.1244. And then you could do the same thing to get the next one. But we have the information we need because we have the 0th term and we have the multiplier, right? So now the equation is y equals the 0th term, 1.2, times the multiplier to the x power. There's your equation. So for the next one, b, we're multiplying 5 times something, right, times something, and then we're multiplying it again, right? So we could write this as, if we couldn't figure out what it was in our head, we could say 5 times a number, like x, times that number again equals 180. So we'd get 5x squared equals 180, right? If I divide both sides by 5, I'd get 36, right? And then x is 6. So we could figure out that first they multiplied by 6 to get 30. Then they multiplied by 6 again to get 180. So that means we have to multiply again by 6, right, to get 1080, right, 1080. And then you could keep doing the same by multiplying by 6. But again, we have the information we need. We have our 0th term, and we have our multiplier. So we can now write the equation. And the equation is, I'll write it down here, y equals the original term, 0th term, 5, times the multiplier to the x power. And there's the equation.